Welcome to Teal Cooking. Who needs to run to McDonald's when you can actually make your own fresh, crispy chicken nuggets at home, right? And I'm so excited because I'm gonna show you to do just that today. So this crispy, yummy chicken nuggets, it's amazing because it's great for lunch, dinner, finger food for any parties, and you can actually prepare it ahead of time because you can actually pop it in the freezer, take it out anytime when you're in a time crunch. And as always, our recipe are allergen conscious, so our chicken nuggets recipe is actually free 8 out of the 9 major food allergens. Isn't it amazing? Anyway, I can't wait to show you and let's get started. So first up, we're gonna start by cutting our chicken breast into about 1/2 inch thickness of slices. It's so easy. You can use any part of the chicken, but we love using chicken breast. It's just a little bit heartier. And the next thing I like to do is to pat my chicken breast dry to just ensure there's no moisture. So now that our chicken breasts are ready, we just need to season them up with 4 simple seasonings. So next up, after our chickens are all ready and seasoned, is to coat them with breadcrumbs. So since we cannot use or we try to avoid eggs, so I use the replacement. Usually I added oat milk, but you can use any milk, soy milk as well if you're avoiding dairy. So I just coat the chicken enough with oat milk. And you just would like to coat them. Just mix them up a little bit. So now we're ready to coat our chicken slices with breadcrumbs. If you're not avoiding any allergens, you can literally use any breadcrumbs. I love using panko breadcrumbs. But since our families are avoiding certain allergens, we always use a combination of these 2 amazing brands. One is the panko breadcrumbs by Edward & Sons, and another one is panko breadcrumbs by Ian's in the gluten-free formats. The mix between the 2 really make a crunchy coating. So what I usually mix right here is about 2/3 ratio of the Edward & Sons and 1/3 ratio of the Ian's gluten-free form. So let's get started to coat our chicken slices with these breadcrumbs. Next up, I'm going to coat our chicken slices for our nuggets with breadcrumbs. And as you can see that I line my bowl with parchment paper where I place my breadcrumb so that it will prevent any clumping from the moisture from the chicken. It's really helpful so that you're not gonna waste your breadcrumbs along the way. Otherwise you need to keep changing and switch them out. So that's just a little trick from me. So we're gonna keep going and coat our chicken breasts. So then it's ready for us to deep fry them to create our yummy chicken nuggets. I'm gonna keep going. So now that we're done coating our chicken nuggets, we're gonna get ready with our fries, and we're using frozen fries. Yes, and there's nothing wrong using an amazing frozen fries. So I'm gonna get that ready right now, pop it in the oven at 450 degrees for about 20 minutes or so while we are frying our chicken nuggets next. So I'm just gonna get that ready in a little baking sheets, pop in the oven, and we're ready to go. Just quick tip for me to ensure your chicken nuggets stays crispy and crunchy. After deep frying in the oil, I like to take it out and place it in the little mash colander. You can use a strainer like this on top of a bowl to ensure that the oil just keeps draining out. And then I like to transfer that on top of a cooling rack until it cools off, just to make sure it stays crispy and crunchy. All right, so now that our fries is baked in the oven, it's ready for us to deep fry our chicken. I can't wait to get it started. Let's go. look at these golden brown crispy chicken nuggets. And how cute is this fries served in a little frying basket with just a little ketchup on the side, right? So I can't wait for you to really try this chicken nuggets recipe at home. Look how tender and crispy this chicken nugget is. You can also turn this chicken nuggets to a little bit bigger, like a cutlet size, so then you can turn it into a little chicken sandwich. That's also super amazing. Oftentimes, I actually pack up this chicken nugget pieces with fries for our kids to go to school when they have a Chick-fil-A event or birthday party and they can't have it because of their allergy. And guess what? A lot of their friends love and going for their chicken nugget instead. So whether you have food allergy or not, and you share on the same table, I promise you, no one will ever know. So for more amazing recipe, keep following me, and I can't wait to share more with you. Keep having fun, and I'll see you next time.